Hi, I'm Kevin with Springfield Leather. This is Liz with Springfield Leather. Liz happens to make knife sheaths.
I do.
Kind of a few of them. And they're very nice, I must say. And you don't even have to pay me for saying that. You know, Rusty says I get excited about certain things. Well, I do. And this is probably one of the dumbest things to get excited about.
No.
But this is
It's worth it.
This is exciting.
Yes, sir.
You'll be thrilled to know that this is a glue pot. Yeah, I know. It's got you guys all frittered up right now too, probably. But this is about the coolest thing since pockets on a shirt.
Which we sell now.
Pockets on a shirt?
Leather shirt pockets. Just gonna throw that in there.
Are you serious?
I am.
I did not know that. And I don't even care. At any rate, back to this glue pot. You'll notice they're very frivolously presented here in a vast array of colors, which really doesn't mean squat. Howsomever, these glue pots are really, really cool. They come from Renia, and this is the German glue company that we've started carrying their glue products. But most of us are familiar with the standard glue pots where you have the happy little jar and it's got the screw-on lid, or just the sit-on-top lid with a brush in it, and you dippity dip, get your brush in the glue, and then you smush it on whatever you're going to glue, right? Bad. This is neat. Number one, the glue pot. When you want to refill your glue pot, you can sit it up like this, pour the glue right in there. It's got a nice little happy place so you don't have any rundown or drip off of the container that you're pouring your glue from, which is really cool. Now, a nice thing about this glue pot is that when you turn it over, you're just gonna get the right amount of glue down in there, and it doesn't just go all over the place.
It's self-feeding. It will only allow so much glue out into this little basin here for you to use.
Kind of like one of those cool dog feeders.
Yeah, that's what I think of, like the little water dog feeders.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Also, cheap little brush. If you've ever had to replace the brush on your standard old dorky glue pot, they're not cheap.
Right.
This is cheap.
Yeah.
You can go to the store and buy 6 of these for
a couple bucks.
Not very much.
Yeah.
At any rate, I can't wait for this. This part's really cool. When you have one of the old glue pots, you always had to dip your brush in the glue, and then what would you do?
Well, typically your brush is already in the glue,
right?
And you have to pull it out of the glue.
And you've usually got too much glue on it.
And then you have to wipe it off the handle.
But even if you don't, if you
Okay.
don't have too much glue on your brush, you still have to do exactly what Liz said. You have to wipe off the edge of your glue pot. And so eventually, anybody that's ever used one of these knows, around the edge of your glue pot is not a happy place to be.
You like to glue your lid on to your glue pot.
I mean, if you want to try and catch flies or something, it'll probably
great.
stick. But most people don't want to do that. The neat thing about this glue pot is it has a little firm poly strip right there at the opening. So when you dip the happy little brush in the happy glue, you can take it out and wipe it right there, and forever and ever keep the edge of your glue pot clean, which allows you at the end of use to put your happy little cap right on there.
Oh, he missed a part. Hold on, guys. Watch this.
That was kind of fun.
You put this here, and then this slides right over the handle, and it's all just taken care of for you.
That is so incredible. That is so incredible. So, if you think that you can order one of these happy little glue pots with your own preferred color, you're wrong. You can't. You cannot, as in, don't do that, because that's not going to work. You can order the glue pot, but we are going to select the happy color for you. The main reason for that is we have no idea what color of happy little caps we're going to get. They just send us a bunch of them all at once, so we're going to grab one
And go.
and that's it.
Yeah.
And that's what you get. I think they're a little pricey. I don't have the price right offhand, but they're on our website, are they
Yeah,
not?
they'll probably be linked to this video.
Yeah, so you can look them up, and oh my goodness, this is so exciting. I can hardly stand it.
Look at him jumping up and down over here.
I'm not jumping up and down, but it's still exciting, and I really like this. Just if you ever thought about owning a glue pot, man, this is the one.
This is a good one.
I'm done.
I'm done too.
Bye.